highlighting the fact that there's a need for us to do a humanitarian mission to provide supplies on board BRP Teresa Magbanua. It just goes to show that the essential supplies and the food requirement for us to feed our crew on board Teresa Magbanua is already critical. If you're going to look at the behavior of the Chinese Coast Guard, they only started their heightened level of aggression somewhere between second week, third week of August. So that means that prior that level of aggression of China to include intentional ramming and then deployment of excessive maritime forces, that means that the Philippine Coast Guard before never really had difficulty in delivering essential supplies on board BRP Teresa Magbanua.